Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. Keep at your Premiership. Orlando Pirates 0, Durban City 0. I'm joined by Kabelo.
Long time, you're going to see the world. And I've been loving corner. I was so happy. My brother. I was so happy because every time in Buzuti, Bani na machita World Cup because China be pushing the narrative. Yan World Cup, and also to PhD na to see PhD as well. Also, compliment on no priority. Also, you guys work so hard. You worked your socks off into a sponsor. You get to interview now these people around the world, they're gonna come and see oh, this is Amafenzo. Coming to the game today, I think Durban City Airport came in 5-4-1, if I can put it that way. Gule 5 feet, Mchize, Nganana, Chalai, Emuva. Upoche Mpupela sometimes unoguzfaka lapha move as extra 6. And also this guy Mashiro. Nah, well done. Compliment to him now. Yes. I think he dealt with Itret Kaspelebele, which is no one foot. Now this guy who well done to him. But I think those two no pool they tell truth really no police so well because when you shut down those two it Pirates is a struggle look like. Then this guy the only person that let them down is this guy Ulumumba. John winning code. We were let down, and also Upito Data Nayala Zitiski. Problem I would see why I introduced this guy Umarman late.
Yeah, it was very late.
It was very late. Now this guy Ukamatuka didn't do anything as well. Yeah, because I think now they didn't threaten the Pirates.
They didn't.
I think they didn't threaten the Pirates. Coming to the side of the Pirates, coach, I'm confused on the lineup. You have to be honest, because you cannot change the lineup consistently, especially the lineup you play you could have continued with that lineup today. Now, if it's up, when you understand and change one, if you Usilepe for Makaula, when you understand, because Makaula doesn't give you 100% performances sometimes. Because Utingumuto energy, or sometimes you need a sipon bully, because Ubule for me Nyazbuzuguti. Okay, I'm telling you, game, or maybe I'm forgetting some because Umpule decided this game. We no Kabelo. I mean, we two Bebazo decided this game. Unfortunately, Amachita allowing it, and also he mistake against the coach. Utito Belangum keep. Segmele Umtrope 80. Ule Tutiong. Utiong Bebazo toilet am pocket. Then about Lukunja, Nabo really Bebazo gain and Paras. Nabo police Bebazo function even more. And now, foot in a question now with Umbutuma, why start him? He questioning the cause. Umahopa is better than Umbutuma. We have to be honest because Umahopa is a physical striker. Umuto very physically pressing machine. Intimidative defense. Aerial is very good. Umbutuma is a striker that always a creative space for our Mremi, Vukengi, your policies. We are creative space. Don't cheat. Yes, fine. But now the problem is scared to busy Paul. We are supposed to avail. And then most of it, clinical strike. The definition of a clinical strike. You need to learn how to finish. You need to learn how to talk a sharp. Ipola Maliza Gimi. It's either you cheap or we are a placer or like show you composure right in front of goal. Because Prime Leon is the prime example of it. He is a prime example of being a clinical striker. Unfortunately, Mputuma is not learning from Lamachitala. Agafundi from Prime Leon, Ikam Renas. That's why the Pirates, they need to sign a top strike. They need to sign a top strike. That's what